In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your bookmarks in alphabetical order in the Google Chrome web browser. Organizing your bookmarks can significantly enhance your browsing efficiency, allowing you to quickly locate the websites and resources you frequently visit. Let's dive into the process, which is straightforward and can be executed just within a few minutes. To get started, first you'll need to open the Bookmark Manager. To do this, move your attention to the top right corner of your Chrome browser. You'll notice a three-dot menu icon. This is your gateway to various Chrome settings and options. Give it a click. Once you click the three-dot menu, a drop-down list will appear. Hover over the word Bookmarks. A second menu list should appear on its own, revealing several bookmarking options. From this list, you'll want to select Bookmark Manager. Clicking on this will open up a new tab dedicated to managing your bookmarks. Now that you're in the Bookmark Manager, you're ready to move on to the next step, selecting the folder you wish to organize. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see panes displaying your bookmark folders. These could be categories you've set up for organizing your content, or sections like the Bookmarks bar, which display bookmarks appearing at the top of your browser. Click on the particular folder you wish to alphabetize. If you're looking to sort all available bookmarks, starting with the Bookmarks bar might be a good option since these are the ones you likely access most often. The final step involves sorting your bookmarks by name. Once you've selected the folder you'd like to organize, direct your focus to the top right corner of the Bookmark Manager interface. There's another three-dot menu icon located there. Yes, another one. Clicking this will offer you various sorting options. Choose Sort by Name. By selecting this option, all the bookmarks within the chosen folder will instantly rearrange themselves alphabetically, making it much simpler for you to find what you're looking for as you browse. And that's it. Just a few simple steps, and your bookmarks are neat and organized alphabetically. This not only helps in decluttering your browser, but also streamlines your internet navigation. Remember, you can repeat these steps for as many folders as needed to ensure all your bookmarks are sorted to your liking. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in tidying up your digital workspace.